How to link pages on Webflow. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to link pages on Webflow. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up webflow.com and you will get right here. I have opened up one of the websites that I'm creating. So you will open up the editor and this is my home page. Here I want to link other pages of my website and I need to add a link. So for that, just click on this plus icon here, which is add elements. In add elements, you have to click on this block, which is link block. Click on it or drag and drop it wherever you want it to be. After that, you can see it says link settings. Here we can add link of any web address right here. We can add any YouTube video link, whatever you want to do. Or you can just click on this page icon right here and it will allow you to choose a page from your website. So I'm going to click on choose a page and you can see now it's showing me the pages that I have. I have home, about, and blog. Let's say that I want to add a about link. So I'm going to select this page. Now we can select open in a new tab or the same tab. So I'm going to click open in new tab. Preload. So if it's going to be prefetch or pre-render or default, so I'm going to go with default. We can also do more settings, but for now, I'm just going to keep it this way and add my about page link. Click on save and now this link block will have the link of my about page to my home page. So this is how you can add link of a page on Webflow. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.